Hello guys, how are you all? I hope all are good. So guys, today we'll see the next API which is in Python. Okay, so as you know guys, if you have seen my last videos, I have done the get API in Python and post API also, and we have tested in post one also. So this is the code guys. This is for post method and this is for get method API. Okay, so these two APIs we have created. One is get API, one is post API, and even we have tested that in postman guys. So the testing was completed successfully. Even we have stored the data in our database here. Okay, so this is done guys. So now means what we have done guys, now we have done the get API and post API. Get API means we are getting the data from database. Post API means we are storing data in database. Okay, now what we will do is whatever the existing data is there in my database, in that we will change something in this name and all. Means what means update API we will do guys. Whatever data is there in that we will update the data. Okay, so that API today we will create. Okay, so how to create that we will see, and I'll tell all the things guys how to create, and it is very easy guys. You can create very easily. Okay, so here first I will write one comment. So same I'll write guys, root to update and what is this? Okay, update and existing users in the database. Okay, so whatever the existing user is there, in that we will change or we will update the data. Okay, so here I have to write the root now. So same root I'll take guys. So for that what I will do, I will just copy this. I'll come here where it is. Okay, here, and here I will write the root name. I can change your users. Okay, I'll change that. Here it will come guys, put means we're updating. Means for postman we will use the put method guys. For updating, remember guys, if you're updating anything you need to use put method. Okay, and here guys, updating means one ID we need to update, right? So we need to define here ID also. So for root we are taking here ID, and ID we need to take like this guys. We are taking int. Okay, id will be int, and here it will come id like this. Like this you need to take guys id. Okay, so this is my root for update API. Then next what will come guys, next our function will come, which is define, then update underscore user. Okay, so we are updating user, right, with id. So we are getting the id of that, means the content of that id, and then we are updating that. Okay, so it is, here is my function. Then guys, see what I'm doing here. I am requesting. So okay, request dot get underscore json. Okay, so what we are doing is, so whatever the request data is there in our json body, this body that we're requesting here guys. Okay, here we're requesting, and that we're storing in data variable. Then next, if data is not present, consider if any data is not present, so we will give one error. Okay, so if not data, if data is not there, so we'll return what guys, return jsonify and bracket error. We will create one error. Oh, here it should be double quotes, then colon, then again double quotes. Here we will take as no input data is provided. If data is not provided, okay, so that time we are showing one error, and it will be a 400 bad request error. Okay, fine. So this is if the data is not present, means which data, this body data, if it is not present it will give the 400 bad request error. Okay, and if it is present it will take that. Then next what we will do guys, user dot name. Okay, so whatever data, if it is change data also, that data we are taking here. So get, here it will come name. You need to take like this only guys. Okay, and here is my user underscore name. So I'll copy this guys. Oh, it should not be underscore guys, it should be dot. Okay, so here the user dot name and data we are getting from this users. Okay, then I'll copy this same, I'll copy paste. We'll explain guys what is happening here. So first I will write all the things. So here it is email, then here it is address, and here it is password. Okay, fine. So I'll immediately, what I will do is I'll copy this, control V, control C, control V. Okay, so guys, what we are doing here, I'll explain first. So guys, so whatever the data means here means updating means we will update any for this id, for one, for example consider one id is there, here we'll take one id. For that id we are changing, suppose if I change here name, if I change anything address, so whatever data we have changed that also it will take. And the current data, see if I changed only name, you have not changed anything this, then what it will do is this update data it will take, and current data what it is there that it will take, and it will store in this field. Okay, so for that it is. And then what we will do guys, we will commit means it will save in our database. Okay, whatever the change data is there that also it will save, and current present data is also it will save. Okay, so commit here we are doing is in our db. Okay, so here we have done committed our data. Then after committing guys we need to return something, right? So for that what I will do guys, here I will return JSONify. Okay, so here I'm returning JSONify. Then sure guys, I'll take id. So same, I think I'll take this, I'll copy guys. Okay, no, I'll copy like this, I'll write only. Okay, user dot id. Then here user came, your name, email, address, and password. It is name, it is email, it is address, and it is password. Okay, so I'll correct it guys. Oh, what is happening? Oh, come. Okay, then tab I'll do now. I'll check whether it is going far. Okay, one space, fine. So here name, so here also name, email, email, address, address, password, and password. Okay, and if it is successful here we will write 200 for successful. Okay, oh, 200, fine. So guys, what we are doing here, we are returning our JSONify data, means whatever data we have updated that we are returning here guys. Okay, next. So why it is coming error here, I did not got return JSONify. Okay, after running I'll get guys what is the error. Okay, mm, oh, here it should be guys. It is correct. One space. Yes, it is indentation error, guys. So it was giving me red. You got guys. It was indentation error. So I checked it here, and here I got guys. It was indentation. So it is giving like that. So guys, this is the thing. So see guys, what we have done. We have taken our root for update API. So for updating API means one users data we are updating, right? So for that we need ID also. Okay. See here guys. If you are updating one, for example, I want to update this data. Okay, see this is id wise, right? It is 4 id, so here we need to take id also guys. So for that here we have taken id also. Okay, and for updating we will use put method. Okay, then here we're requesting the JSON data from our body. If data is present it will come here, if data is not present it will give this 400 bad request error. Okay, and here what we're doing is whatever the data is there, if you means if you change the name also, email also, that change the data as well as existing data it will take, and it will store in this field guys. Okay, then next here we are committing means we are saving that data in our database. Then here guys we are returning whatever the change data is there, that we are returning in JSON format, or whatever the updated data is there that we are returning in JSON format. Okay, so this is the thing guys. Now what we will do guys, now we will run this program, and if any errors are there that also we will solve. Okay, so let's start. So it is running now. We'll see whether anything will come, any error will come. Okay, it is running, no error, so it is same correct, guys. So I have to take this path here. So here is my update API. I'll go here only, guys. Update API. Okay, so here I'll take one ID. So I have to update something, so I'll take fifth ID, guys. Okay, so here I'll mention fifth. And what is the data for fifth that I have to take? So here it is in sky name. Okay, then I'll take your email. Same data. After that I'll change it. First I'll take whatever the data is there, that then I'll change address. It is okay. Okay, and this is Belgium. Okay, so whatever data there, present data, that I have taken, guys. Okay, now I will change here. Instead of infis, okay, infisky underscore Belgium. Okay, so I have taken, guys, infisky underscore Belgium, and everything I'll keep as it is. Now here I have selected put method. Now I will check, guys. I'll do here send. Okay, so here I got one error, that is 500 interserver error. So for what it is, did you mean it is fifth ID only, right? Okay, users, I'll check the root once. Oh, here only it is users, and here is my ID. It is correct. Okay, guys, here one thing I forgot, guys, that I will write. See in hurry what I can say, guys. I have forgot to write particular data what I'm taking in, that I forgot to update, guys. Okay, so here it will come. So see, guys, here what will happen. Here we'll take user dot query, means particular single data. I forgot to take single data, guys. Okay, so I'll explain this as well. And here if not user, so it was giving error me 500. Okay, so here we are returning JSONify, and here is my error. So error will be user not found. User not found. Oh, FOUND found. Oh, what is happening? And here we'll give 404. Okay, so guys, what is happening here, where we have taken all the data from our JSON body. Okay, then here particular data we will check here, guys, whether this ID data is present in our this request. Okay, so if it is present, it will take that data, and if it is not present, it will give this error, that is user not found. If this ID is not present there, it will tell the user not found. And if the this ID data, if it is present, then it will take that data, and it will store in user. Okay, then here what we are doing is, here from that user we are taking the name, whatever the data is available for this ID, that everything we are taking is, that is name, email address, and password, and that we are storing here. Okay, then committing, we are saving in our database, then here we are returning that. Okay, so one, see, guys, while doing some mistakes will happen, but we will learn from that also. Okay, so single ID I forgot to take. Fine. Okay, this is done, guys. Next what we will do, guys, here I'll change, I'll send now. It will change now. You can see, guys, it is updated in Fisk underscore Bilgam. So I have changed the here. Oh, wait, see, guys, something new is happened here, right? Everything, address also in Fisk Bilgam, email also, name also, password also. So here something is wrong, so that I have to check. Oh yes, guys, you can see here. Here also I have done, right. See, guys, Copy paste if I do not, it will happen like this. I forgot to change here as well. So it was taking, so what it is done guys, for name everything it is changed to name only. Okay, fine. So what we will do guys, here now I'll run this once again, or I'll keep like that only. Here it's same data, right? So I want this data there, okay, so I'll send this only there. See guys, now it is changed. It is in Fiskai, then it is email, then it is name, and this password. And if I go here, it will change here as well. So you can see guys, name is in Fiskai Belgium and password is in Fiskai Belgium, email and address. It is changed guys. So here it is name, email, address and password. For password, it has taken in Fiskai Belgium only. We'll check here anything. Password. Okay, once again we'll change guys here something. So I'll take here like only in Fiskai I'll take guys. Okay. So now we'll check. Okay, see guys, name only it is taking password, right? I have changed the Infisky, but it is not updating. So something is wrong in my code, so that I have to check somewhere. Users git ID, name, email, address. Here is password. Here is password. See guys, this will happen. We need to find out the error. Okay, so we will find out now. It is correct. This is also, and here is address. Here is password. Here is also password. Okay, here we'll remove this and check guys. Because of that, maybe. Okay, now I'll check this. See guys, because of one comma, here it is. It was because of one comma. What it was happening is, name is only taking for this password. Now you can see guys, password is also changed. Whatever password I have given, password is there. Whatever the address I have given, address is there. Whatever the email I have given, email is there. Whatever the ID is 5 only. Okay, so see guys, we have what I can say guys, we have solved the error also, which is good. We got error means which is good guys, and even we have solved that error. So two error was there, one 500 server error we got. So how, why the 500 error will come? If anything is wrong in your code, it will come. And if it is duplicating the values, then here we need to check this, and comma also it will value for Python guys. Okay, so this is the thing guys. So I hope guys you got. I'll show in database also. You can see guys, here also it is changed. Okay, so I hope guys you got how we have updated the present data in our database. Okay, so if you have any question queries regarding this, then guys please comment in comment box, and if you are liking my videos, then like, share and subscribe to channel guys. Okay, so thank you so much guys, keep supporting guys.